Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to begin our lesson and the lesson number is 7. We are going to start a new lesson today and the name of the lesson is Good Neighbors. What is the name of our lesson? Good Neighbors. And it is lesson number 7. It is lesson number 7 and standard is second. Subject is English. So let's get started. First of all, what we are going to do? We are going to read the spelling of good neighbors. Let's get started. Spelling of good, G-O-O-D. Good, G-O-O-D. Good. Then the spelling of neighbors, Neightbours. Neightbours. Good neighbors. Now, in this lesson, this is about good neighbors. Who are the neighbors? Neighbors are the persons who used to live nearby our house. Neighbors कौन होते हैं? Neighbors वो people होते हैं जो हमारे house के साथ में live करते हैं. Now, in our story, here are two boys. Here are two boys and they are talking to each other. वो एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. That's why ma'am have written the whole summary over here. First part of the lesson I have written over here so that you should know that how they both are talking and what they are talking. वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं and कैसे बात कर रहे हैं. And meanwhile I am going to explain you also line by line. So what are good neighbors? Means people who live nearby our house. Neighbors कौन होते हैं? People जो हमारे house के बाजू मतलब हमारे पड़ोस में रहने वाले लोग. So now they are talking about the good neighbors. Neighbors used to live by near our house, but it depends. वो depend करता है कि वो हमारे साथ अच्छा behave करते हैं और हमारे साथ अच्छा behave नहीं करते. That thing comes to us also. वो किस पर आती है? हमारे पर भी आती है. Why? Because as they are our neighbors. Suppose we are living over here. This is my house and one house is nearby my house. तो वो कौन हो गए? They are my neighbors. But I am living here and they are living here. So who am I? I am their neighbors. हम उनके neighbor हो गए. So for becoming a good neighbors, we both have to be good. हमें भी उनके साथ good रहना चाहिए. Then only they will be good with us. If they are not good, suppose they are not behaving nicely with you. अगर वो आपके साथ good behave नहीं करते, it doesn't mean that you should also behave the same with them. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप भी उनके साथ सेम ही बिहेव करेंगे. Why? Because good neighbor means that if other is not good, then also you should be good. If he or she is good, then also you should be good. हमें हमेशा कैसा रहना चाहिए? We should be only good. Now let's begin with the lesson. What the two boys are talking with each other. वो दोनों two boys जो हैं वो आपस में क्या डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं? What is the discussion going on between the two boys? So let's get started. Good neighbors. Now the two boys are, one is Rahul. The name of one boy is Rahul. So first of all we are going to learn the spelling of Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Spelling of Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. That's the spelling of Rahul. Now Rahul is talking to his friend. When you meet any of your friend, हम अपने किसी friend से मिलते हैं, so what we used to say, hello, how are you? Like this we used to talk. हम अगर अपनी किसी friend से मिलेंगे तो कैसे बोलते हैं? Hi, hello, how are you? Same over here. Rahul met his friend Nitin. So what he said? Hello. Hello. Then there is a comma. Nitin. Nitin. Then exclamation mark. What he said? Rahul said to his friend that hello, Nitin. Now, what Nitin replied? When you say something to your friend hello, then what your friend used to say in return? आपका friend भी क्या बोलता है? Hello. Then what Nitin replied? Nitin. Nitin. Hello. Hello. What Nitin said? Nitin also said hello in return. Then there is a comma. Rahul. Rahul. Exclamation mark. I am AM, and VERY, very, SURPRISED, surprised. Now, when Rahul said hello to Nitin, what Nitin said? Nitin said, hello Rahul, I am very surprised. उसने हेलो तो बोला, बट उसने क्या बोला? मैं बहुत ज्यादा सरप्राइज्ड हूँ. सरप्राइज मतलब समथिंग हैपेंस इमीडिएटली टू यू. कोई चीज जो आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो और वो अचानक से हमारे साथ हो जाए. से एज योर बर्थडे इज देयर एंड यू थिंक दैट ममा फॉरगॉट्स योर बर्थडे. आपका बर्थडे, आपको क्या लगता है? मम्मी बर्थडे भूल गई, पापा भी बर्थडे भूल गए, एंड इमीडिएटली दे बॉट अ सरप्राइज गिफ्ट फॉर यू. अचानक से वो आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट ले आते हैं. देन हाउ यू विल फील? यू विल फील वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. व्हाई? द थिंग दैट यू डोंट नो इट हैपेंड विद यू. जो आपको पता ही नहीं था वो अचानक से आपके साथ हो गया. देन हाउ यू फील? You feel the surprise feeling. Over here also, when Rahul was talking to Nitin, what Nitin replied? Nitin replied, hello, I am very surprised. Now let's go on and see why Nitin was surprised. चलिए देखते हैं क्यों वो surprised हो गया. Now Rahul is answering. RAHUL, Rahul. Oh, feeling, oh, why you are surprised like this? SO, so, YOUU, LIVE, live, IN, GUPTA, Gupta, ENCLAVE, enclave, comma, full stop, IT, it, IS is, VERY, very, NICE, nice, PLACE, place. Now Rahul got to know that why Nitin was surprised. Why? What he said? Oh, so you live in Gupta. Oh, so you live in Gupta enclave. It is very nice place. What Rahul said? Oh, so you live in Gupta enclave. Rahul said, oh, अच्छा आप Gupta enclave में रहते हो. Now, what he said? Yes, I live in Gupta enclave and that place is very nice. How is Gupta enclave? Gupta enclave is a very nice place. Now, what do you mean by enclave? Gupta is a name of a person, surname. जैसे my name is here, my name is Vibha Joshi. So Joshi is my surname. Same is over here. Gupta. Enclave is a name of a society. Enclave मतलब एक society. So as flats are over here, 3-4 flats are over here, 3-4 flats are over here, and that make a society that is known as enclave. जैसे you must be living, some must living used to live Uma society, some live Girnari Park, some used to live in Vasant Park, some used to live in Anand Bungalows. These all are known as the enclaves or the societies. Now let's move on. Now NITIN, Nitin. Now Nitin is replying, answer दे रहा है Nitin. YES, yes, comma, IT, it, IS, it, VERY, very, NICE, nice. What Nitin says? Yes, it is very nice. वो बहुत अच्छी है. क्या है अच्छी? सोसाइटी बहुत अच्छी है. Now RAHUL, Rahul. IF is YOUU, don't, DON, then above comma and T, don't, MIND, mind. If you don't mind now, what Rahul is talking to Nitin. Nitin used to live in Gupta enclave. कौन रहता है Gupta enclave में? Nitin. Comma, WILL, will, YOUU, PLEASE, please, TELL, tell, ME, me, comma, WHAT, what, IS is AN, and ENCLAVE, enclave, question mark. Now what Rahul said? Rahul asked to Nitin. Rahul क्या कर रहा है? नितिन से पूछ रहा है that if you don't mind, अगर आपको बुरा नहीं लगता है, will you please tell me what is an enclave? Now Rahul was not knowing that what do you mean by an enclave. राहुल को पता नहीं था कि एनक्लेव किसको बोलते हैं. So what he said, he asked to Nitin, उसने नितिन को क्या पूछा, if you don't mind, अगर आपको बुरा नहीं लगे तो can you please tell me that what do you mean by an enclave? उसने क्या बोला, अगर आपको बुरा नहीं लगता है तो आप मुझे बताएंगे कि एनक्लेव किसको बोलते हैं. Then let's move on. What Nitin replied when who asked Rahul asked him that can you please tell me what do you mean by enclave? So let's see what Nitin replied. Now, what Nitin said? Nitin. Nitin. What Nitin said? An and Enclave. Enclave. Is is group. Group. Of houses. Houses. surrounded. Surrounded. by a wall. Wall. What he said? An enclave is a group of houses surrounded by a wall. Now, when Rahul asked Nitin that, can you please tell me what is an enclave? Then what Nitin replied? Nitin told him that an enclave is a place where group of houses matlab so many houses are over there. One house is here, second house is above that, third house is above that, or one house is over here. Say you can five houses or five floors are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the ground floor again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a ground floor. And what is over there? Houses surrounded by a wall. For an example, I show you. Say as houses are over there. I'll draw for you. ऐसे हम draw करते हैं. This is one house. Then same second house, same third house, same fourth house. Same other houses are over there. But this whole of the houses are surrounded by a wall. And here is the main gate. यहाँ पे उसका गेट है और वो पूरा जो सोसाइटी है वो क्या है, कवर्ड है वॉल से. से एज यू मस्ट बी लिविंग, जैसे आप लोग रहते हैं, समवन इज लिविंग इन उमा सोसाइटी, वृंदावन पार्क, वसंत पार्क, सानिध्य, all are the enclave. They all are the enclave or the society, or you can say the bungalows. Means so many houses are there. Surrounded means covered up. Surrounded means covered up. As for an example, you can say I am standing over here and the walls of the class are surrounded near me and I have a gate to move out from the class. So that is the gate and the whole class is surrounded by the wall. That is called an enclave. Who replied? Nitin answered Rahul, because Rahul wanted to know that what do you mean by an enclave. Rahul को जानना था कि enclave क्या होता है. That's why Nitin is answering to Rahul. Let's move on. Again he is giving more description. वो और भी अच्छे तरीके से क्या बता रहा है कि enclave किसको बोलते हैं. IT it, IS is, AN and CNCLOSED, enclosed, COLONY, colony, WITH with GATES, gates. What he said then? It is an enclosed colony with gates. So I'll give you the example of your class only. आपका class का ही examples आपको देते हैं. This is your class. So many benches are there. But in colony, what you used to say, add our whole campus, Maharishi Gurukul. Maharishi Gurukul is a big campus. बहुत बड़ा campus है वो. So many schools are inside. Our CBSE is there. Our then Gujarati medium is there. Then Vidyalaya is there. BSc is going on. BCA is going on. NIT is also there. So many different departments are over here. And we have the Bhojanalaya also at the back side. Bhojanalaya आपने देखा है ना? And what we have hostels also over here. And the boundary of this Maharishi Gurukul is surrounded by the walls. जो उसकी पूरी बाउंड्री है वो पूरी कवर्ड अप है और हम जहां से स्कूल में एंटर होते हैं दैट इज द मेन गेट. सेम ही सेम। एनक्लोज्ड कॉलोनी विद गेट्स, कॉलोनी है, हाउसेज हैं, डिफरेंट जगह पे ऐसे ऐसे हाउसेज हैं, बट वो जो पूरा कॉलोनी है वो पूरा कवर अप होके एक गेट से बंद हो जाता है। अगर आपको कॉलोनी में एंटर होना है, यू हैव टू गेट इनसाइड एन एनक्लेव। अगर आपको एनक्लेव में अंदर जाना है, देन यू हैव टू कम थ्रू दैट गेट ओनली। आप उस गेट से ही अंदर एंटर हो सकते हैं। व्हेन यू विल कम इनसाइड, देन व्हाट वुड बी रिटन ओवर देयर? Gupta enclave. When you come over here, what is written on the top? Maharshi Gurukul campus. Same over here, Gupta enclave. So as you will enter, there will be written Gupta enclave and it is fully surrounded by the wall. वो चारों तरफ से बंद है, किससे? Walls. That is known as the colony enclosed with the gates. उसमें gates लगे हुए से as one gate or two gates. Now moving on further, Rahul, when Nitin told him about an enclave, that what do you mean by an enclave? Then what Rahul answered? Rahul answered him, do you have GOU, YOUU, HAVE have, PLAY play, GROUNDS grounds, AND and SHOPS shops, INNYOUR your, ENCLAVE enclave. Now again Rahul is asking a question to नितिन। जब नितिन ने अपना एनक्लेव के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया, देन अगेन राहुल आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन टू नितिन। उसने वापस उससे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, एंड व्हाट वाज, डू यू हैव प्लेग्राउंड्स एंड शॉप्स इन योर एनक्लेव? आपका जो सोसाइटी है, एनक्लेव है, डू यू हैव प्लेग्राउंड्स? प्लेग्राउंड इज द प्लेस दैट वी लव द मोस्ट। यू आल्सो एंड मैम आल्सो लव टू प्ले। हमें भी खेलना बहुत मजा आता है, सेम एज यू, आपको भी खेलने में मजा आता है। सो व्हाट राहुल आस्क्ड टू हिज फ्रेंड कि आपकी जो सोसाइटी है वहाँ पे शॉप्स हैं। शॉप्स मतलब वो दुकानें जिसमें से हम कोई भी सामान बाय कर सकते हैं। इट कैन बी एनी शॉप, ग्रोसरी शॉप और यू कैन से आइसक्रीम शॉप, सो विच एवर शॉप इज ओवर। एंड द प्लेग्राउंड जहाँ पे हम खेल सकते हैं। इन योर एनक्लेव मीन्स इन योर सोसाइटी। देन व्हाट अगेन नितिन इज आंसरिंग। नितिन ने क्या आंसर करा? YES yes, comma WEB HAVE have, or IGBIT PLAY play GROUND ground, comma SOME some SHOPS shops, AND PCO full stop. Let me explain you this much, then we'll read further. इतना समझाते हैं, फिर आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। What Nitin replied? नितिन ने क्या बोला? Yes, we have a big playground. Yes, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल गया। Yes, क्या है? हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड है। Where? In Nitin's enclave. Some shops है, शॉप पर थोड़ी शॉप, some. And now what is a PCO? PCO is a place where you can make calls. एक PCO का बूथ होता है, बूथ इन द से वन कैबिन इज बीइंग मेड। जैसे आपने देखा है, आप जैसे अपनी सोसाइटी में ऐसे एंटर होते हैं, देयर इज अ रूम फॉर द सिक्योरिटी गार्ड। सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के लिए रूम अलॉटेड होता है। सेम इज अ काइंड ऑफ बूथ, बट दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ, एज यू कैन से, इन दी किचन, इन दी glasses. In your class glasses there are the what glasses are over there. उसको कवर अप करने के लिए glasses लगाते हैं। Same is the telephone booth. It is like this, and here one stand is there जहाँ पे क्या रखा होता है? Telephone is being kept. If you want to make a call to someone, you can make a call through this. PCO is a thing from where you can make calls, and how you can make the calls. Their telephone is like that as you are going to pick up the telephone, there is one small space in the phone. अगर suppose ये telephone है तो यहाँ पे छोटा सा space होता है। There you have to put a coin of 1 rupee. What you have to put inside? Coin of 1 rupee. rupee inside the telephone. Where you have to put inside the telephone, you have to put 1 rupee coin. जैसे ही आप 1 rupee का coin अंदर डालेंगे, you will going to hear a dialer tone. आपको फोन में से तुरंत डायलिंग टोन का आवाज आ जाएगा. Then you can make call to anyone to whom you want to make. But उसका एक टाइम लिमिट होता है. Having a time limit says for 1 minute or 2 minutes. आपने 1 coin डाला, अब कितना देर बात कर सकते हैं? You can talk for 1 minute only. How much time you can use? You can use only 1 minute for 1 rupee. 1 rupee आपने किस में डाला? फोन में. And for that you can talk with someone for how many minutes? For only 1 minute. As the 1 minute will get over, immediately phone will get disconnect. अपने आप ही फोन क्या हो जाता है? डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है. Why? Because it is being set for 1 minute only. वो 1 minute के लिए ही सेट होता है. Then again you have to make a call. दोबारा आप 1 rupee का coin डालेंगे and again your call will be connected. वापस उसमें रिंगटोन आ जाएगा and you will dial the number. That was PCO. Now we move further. I, ELA by play, WITH with, MY my, BROTHER brother, AND and FRIENDS friends, full stop. What he said? I play with my brother and friends. उसने क्या बोला? मेरे एनक्लेव में बिग ग्राउंड है एंड शॉप्स हैं एंड पीसीओ है और मैं क्या करता हूँ? आई प्ले विद माय ब्रदर. मैं अपने भाई के साथ और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वहाँ पे प्ले करता हूँ. नाउ मूव फर्दर. MY my, FRIENDS friends, ALSO also, LIVE live, IN THIS this, ENCLAVE enclave. What he said? My friends also live in this enclave. What he saying? I used to play with my brother and my friends. और मेरे जो friends हैं वो भी इस enclave में रहते हैं. Now what he saying? ONE1 OF of MY my FRIEND friend. एक जो मेरा friend है is TAPN तपन. मेरे friend का क्या नाम है? तपन. Who is saying? Nitin is telling to Rahul. IS is MY my NEXT next DWR door. NEIGH BOUR neighbor full stop. Now what he said? My friends also live in this enclave. मेरे दोस्त भी हमारे साथ यहाँ पे रहते हैं. उसमें जो मेरा एक फ्रेंड है वो मेरे हाउस के एकदम बाजू में रहता है. मतलब वो कौन हुआ? He is the my neighbor. Neighbor मतलब मेरा पड़ोसी जो मेरे बाजू में ही रहता है. And his name is तपन. As you live in the society, आपके हाउस के बाजू में जो रहता है वहाँ पे आपका फ्रेंड है, आप उसके साथ प्ले करते हैं, तो वो कौन हुए? आपके नेबर्स. Then moving on further, HIS is FATHER father, IS is DOCTOR doctor, in ARMY army full stop. What he said? His father is a doctor in army. Now what Nitin told him? Nitin told him that I have a big playground, some shops and a PCO. I play with my brother and with my friends, and my friends also live in the enclave. I play with all of my friends, but उसमें मेरा एक friend ऐसा भी है जो एकदम मेरे हाउस के पास में रहता है. And what he is telling about his friend's father? कि मेरा जो friend है उसके जो father है, he is a doctor. He is a doctor. And where is a doctor? He is a doctor in a army. You know what is an army? Army. In the army, people used to fight for us. They are fighting for us. They are on the borders and they fight for our country. That's why we are living over here. अगर वो people हमारे लिए fight नहीं करेंगे, so we could not survive. They used to fight for us and they are on the borders. Borders पे हमारे लिए क्या करते हैं? हम लोगों की रखवाली कर रहे हैं. They are taking care of all over the country. हमारे पूरी कंट्री इंडिया का वो क्या करते हैं, ध्यान रखते हैं। एंड हिज फादर इज डॉक्टर ओवर देयर ओनली, जो आर्मी है, आर्मी जहाँ पे पीपल वर्क करते हैं हमारे लिए ऑन द बॉर्डर्स, देयर ओनली his friend's father is doctor. And what was the name of his friend? He is Tapan. What is the name of his friend? He is Tapan. Now here one part of our story gets over. Now what to do? Let's underline few of the words that we are going to recall. कुछ words underline करते हैं और उसकी spelling को one time we are going to recall. Most importantly the spelling of Rahul, the characters of our story, हमारी story में जो main persons. Then second one is Nitin. Then surprised. Then Gupta and Clay. Then next is the spelling that we have spelled. The line is surrounded, houses. Then enclosed, colony. Then what we are going to underline? Doctor, army. These are the words that we should learn, as well as brother and friends. So let's get started. The spelling we are going to read together. R-A-H-U-L, Rahul. R-A-H-U-l, Rahul. Second one is N-I-T-I-N, Nitin. N-I-T-I-n, Nitin. Then surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprise. Then G-U-P-T-A, the E-N-C-L-A-V-E, enclave. The enclave is a society. Then moving on the next session, H-O-U-S-E-S, houses where we live in. House क्या होता है, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. And in our enclave there are so many houses. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-E-D, surrounded means covered up. Next one is enclosed. Enclosed मतलब बंद हो जाना. Here are the society, but it is going to end over here. वो enclosed मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ वहाँ करके stop हो जाता है. Then there is one gate. C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony. Colony, houses are over here. Houses are over here. Then here are the houses. So it's make a colony. जैसे आप street बोलते हैं, गली जिसमें आप जाते हैं. Then here comes the spelling of brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Brother is our elder or smaller. हमारा भाई हमसे big हो या हमसे small. Then next one is friends. We have already done the lesson about the friends. Friends are the most precious gift. बहुत ही अच्छा gift किसने दिया है? God has given to us. So we should feel lucky that we have friends. हमेशा हमें lucky feel होना चाहिए. Why? Because we have our friends with us. Then doctor. D-O-C, T-O-R. Who is the doctor? Doctor is a person who treats us when we feel sick or ill. जब हम बीमार जाते हैं तो हमें कौन देखता है? Doctor. A-R-M-Y, army. A-R-M-Y, army. Army is a place, is a, you can say a unity. Unity है army जिसको बोलते हैं. There soldiers used to work. Soldiers work करते हैं and they are working for saving our lives. हमारा लाइफ को बचाने के लिए कौन वर्क करता है? Soldiers. So through this session of the story, what we learned that two friends are talking with each other and one of them doesn't know that what do you mean by enclave. इसमें से एक फ्रेंड को enclave के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. So he is talking with his other friend. वो अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड से क्या पूछ रहा है? Then please tell me about an enclave. कि enclave क्या होता है? How it looks? How people are looking? What the things are inside the enclave? क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं? And who are the people living there? Are they your neighbors? Do they talk with you nicely? This everything the one of the friend Nitin and Rahul who are over there, and Rahul is asking all these things to Nitin. Rahul is asking all these things to Nitin. So Nitin lives in an Gupta enclave. Nitin lives in the Gupta enclave. And Gupta enclave is a society which is surrounded by the walls, and where the surroundings get ends, जहाँ पे वो end होती है, there is a big gate. Here our first session gets
over. We'll continue further in the new session. Thank you.